Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and what I'm going to demonstrate to you now is one of the assessments that we use at Watto Training when you do the practical component. I'm in an automatic vehicle. I'm at Zilmia on the north side of Brisbane, and we've got a park in the middle here. I'll call the streets as we go. We're on Coxon Street at the moment, and what I'm going to do is leave the curb and drive around the block here. This is what you do with like a level 2 driver. So someone who can leave the curb, return to the curb, they can take a left turn, they can signal, they can scan, they can start, they can stop. So we've covered the basics and now we're at level 2. So the first thing I'm going to do, put my foot on the brake, do my 6-point checks around the vehicle. I'm all clear at the moment. Right indicator goes on. I'm selecting drive. Handbrake off, foot on the brake, shoulder check, just got a vehicle up ahead. I'm not sure what they're doing. I'm just assessing what they're doing. Okay, they're moving away. They're all clear. So I'm going to move out onto the road. Shoulder check, a little bit of accelerator, still monitoring that vehicle. And as I come up to the end of the road here, I'm just slowing down and I'm going into Rodway Street. So I'm going to indicate, mirror check, slow down, and now I start to scan. I can see clearly up the road that it's all clear, but I can't see clearly into the road that I'm going to. So I'm moving, I'm leaning forward, I'm creeping forward, and I'm making sure my eyes have cleared it before I commit with the vehicle. Now I'm coming up to Duffy Street. I'm mirror checking, indicating, slowing the vehicle with the brake, positioning the vehicle about half a meter from the curb, checking up on my right that it's all clear, and also making sure that my eyes have been up ahead to where I'm going. It's all clear at the moment, and now I'm moving into Duffy. Now I'm just negotiating through a few parked vehicles here. We've also got a heavy vehicle on my left. So I'm just going slowly in case a driver jumps out of that vehicle. I'm coming to the end of the road, looking up ahead. I want a left turn. I'm indicating left, mirror check, it's all clear behind. And this one is called Ma Street. And now I'm slowing the vehicle, positioning it about a half a meter from the curb, checking on my right that it's all clear, looking to where I'm going, coming around the road, and it's all clear. Coming up to the end of the road here, now we've got Coxon Street again where we started. Mirror check, it's all clear. Slow the vehicle, 5 seconds notice on the indicator, dropping my speed. I'm coming up to a crossroad, I'm slowing down, I'm looking on the right, it's all clear, looking up to where I want to go, and away we go. Making sure I stay on the left side of the road. Just passing a red car, now I'm going to be taking a left turn up ahead again. Mirror check, it's all clear behind. Left indicator, I've got a red car coming now. Slow the vehicle with the brake, position the vehicle close to the left curb. I've got someone backing out of a driveway on the other side of the road. I've also got a white ute coming. So I'm just stopping and giving way this time. So I've got the white car coming around. I've got a couple of vehicles coming up on my right. I can't see what they're doing. Okay, one of them's turning. Okay, we're all clear. Okay, I've got another vehicle coming as well up the road. So I'm just pausing and waiting for this white car to come through. I've got a guy doing a U-turn behind me, right up close. Okay, I'm all clear. I can see with my eyes that it's clear. I'm coming around. I've got a guy getting out this vehicle here. He's all clear. I'm taking a left turn at the end of the road into Duffy Street. Left indicator, mirror check behind, I'm clear. Braking, positioning the vehicle close to that left curb about a half a meter away. Making sure I scan the T section that it's all clear. I can see with my eyes that it's clear up ahead, and I'm coming around nice and steady. Look up ahead, we're coming past 3 parked cars and a truck on my left. My speed's down about 20 k's an hour because it's quite tight. Mirror check, nobody behind me, slowing down with the foot brake, indicator on for 5 seconds notice, coming in half a meter from the curb, coming up to my vision, my decision point. I'm leaning and looking and making sure it's all clear, but I also make sure that it's clear as to where I'm going as well. Straighten the vehicle up, and we'll just park over here on the left side of the road, making sure that we're parallel to the curb. And I'm stopping, secure the vehicle with the park brake, secure the vehicle with the handbrake. I've got a Hyundai coming up from behind, so I'm just monitoring them. And that is the exercise in the automatic system of vehicle control, practicing left-hand corners, practicing give way, and this will be one of the practical assessments that you will do. Now, you might not necessarily use this specific geographical area, but this gives you an idea of the type of thing that we'll be working on. I'll be assessing your driving performance, but I will also be assessing your ability to commentate on what you're doing. And the next level above that will be you going from the driver's seat to the passenger seat, directing directing someone else to do it. It'll probably be me role-playing a learner driver. Beyond that, you would also do that exercise using the dual controls as well, and I will be steering and I will be indicating, and that will give you the confidence to know that you can intervene and take control when you need to as an accredited driver trainer. We'll give you lots of training in a quiet area before we do that as well, so that you're confident to do that. This has been Brendan from Watto Training. If you have any questions or want to leave any comments, please do so on the Watto Training YouTube page.